नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 7th March 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. I have a very specific strategy in market where I specialized or I'm trying to get specialized on only five instrument, which is Bank Nifty, Nifty, Hero MotoCorp, HDFC Bank and Reliance. This video series is a weekly wrap for HDFC Bank and Hero MotoCorp. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So first, let's start with HDFC Bank. So on HDFC Bank, when we look on monthly basis, because I have a monthly view on HDFC and Hero MotoCorp, so I will start with monthly. On monthly, as of now, March has not been a good month for HDFC Bank. Definitely after such a big uh, budget month. And Hero MotoCorp now on monthly basis has a very strong resistance at 1600, but it is closed above 8, above 20 and above 50. So definitely on monthly basis it is in uptrend. Now on weekly basis, when we look into HDFC Bank, we see that it had this from last 4 week after touching almost all-time high. It has never seen back, but somewhere at the lower levels, that is at 1530 level, it is finding a support and showing sign of a consolidation between the range of 15,000 to you can say 1600. Yeah, 1600. That is on weekly basis. On weekly basis, having said that, HDFC Bank has closed above 8, above 20, and above 50. So definitely an uptrend and definitely overstretch. Now on daily basis, if you see, HDFC Bank has closed below 20, below 8, above 50, and above 200. So here, since it has closed below 20 and 8, it is in downtrend. Now so Hero HDFC Bank now on monthly uptrend, weekly uptrend, daily downtrend. And last Friday, it has almost formed another doji, but now with the red sign. So now any sell, technically speaking, on daily basis, any rise on HDFC Bank could be a good selling opportunity. Specifically, if you get HDFC Bank somewhere at 1550, then it could be a very good sell option on daily basis. And that's how it looks on daily chart. But for me, what I'm thinking here is that if you want to play HDFC Bank, you want to play it with the time in your hand. That's where you get good money. So HDFC Bank has now clearly a very strong support at 1530, and another support will come at 1509. So for all the position, 1509 now becomes a stop loss for me. So I'm carrying currently one lot of HDFC Bank. I also have some cash positions in Hero MotoCorp, around 150 quantity at so one March future at 550 quantity, 1556, and my holdings are around 150 quantity. I added another 54 on Friday at 1554. So my strategy would be to keep a stop loss of 1509 and hold this uh, with expectation that in the coming week it will cover up, it will move up and touch around 1545 or 1551. If it crosses 1551, then the next target for HDFC Bank will be 1600. So that is what my view is on HDFC Bank. Hold it with the stop loss of 1509 or 15,000. Yeah, below 15,000, exit the position on HDFC Bank. And any dip in towards 50, and if it reverse, then it could also be a very good buy opportunity for a target of 50 and the next target of 1600. So that's my trade plan for HDFC Bank. Now let's look into Hero MotoCorp. Now Hero MotoCorp on a monthly basis is definitely in the uptrend, very solid month, above 8, above 20, and above 50. On weekly basis, it has closed above 8, above 20, above 200, so definitely in uptrend. Last week has been very significant, where it has taken out the last week red bar entirely and shown a very strong reversal. So Hero MotoCorp is in absolute uptrend on weekly basis. On daily chart, Hero MotoCorp has closed just about 20, above 8, above 50. So here also it is on uptrend. So the trend is confirmed that it is in uptrend. But now Hero MotoCorp has a very strong resistance is where it is exactly now, which is 3461, which is its monthly resistance, and also closer to a blue line, which is my magical line. So tomorrow, if on Monday Hero MotoCorp has an upside opening, which it looks like it will have, then 3460 becomes a very strong support for Hero MotoCorp, because that is 20 bar moving average as well as monthly resistance, which will act as a support, and will get a support from my magical blue lines. If this is not respected, then Hero MotoCorp will have a next support at 3408 and a very strong support at 3350 levels. So any dip on Hero MotoCorp is a buy. If you are aggressive trader, then on Monday we can look out for 15-minute breakout if it is closer to 3461. So any if it opens up, comes down from here also, you can buy for a target of 3510 or 3534. So Hero MotoCorp is buy on dip. Uh, that's my trade plan. Currently, I am holding one lot of Hero MotoCorp and 100 quantities of Hero MotoCorp. So that's my position, and I'll continue to hold both with no addition in my position. I so that's what my plan and how I look on Hero MotoCorp and HDFC. I hope this discussion have added value to your trade setup and ideas. Check out my weekly wrap on Reliance and Nifty and Bank Nifty also on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.